Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of USD JPY in front of us right now. Yesterday, when I uploaded a video, market was trading at this particular level and I recommended a buy, and hopefully you all have made good profit out of it. Anyways, today we can see that market is trading at the same level again, 109.78, and I have been clearly telling this for the last couple of months that 109.75 is the most crucial level or the most important level in the chart of USD JPY, because this level was acting as a resistance for the market for 2 months, and then the same level is right now acting as a support for the market. And most importantly, this level belongs to the weekly chart. And as we all know, weekly chart belongs to the institutional traders, the big boys, the big players, the traders who drive the direction of the market. Because the big traders, the institutional traders, do not trade on 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, or smaller time frames like us. They usually go for 1 day time frame and weekly time frame. Therefore, the significance of 1 day time frame or the weekly time frame is much higher. And right now you can see that the market is just standing at the support level again. So before going further, let's check out the weekly chart once. So this is the weekly chart of USD JPY. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know this stuff pretty well, because I have been telling about the 109.75 for so many months that I don't even remember. Anyways, you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 candles. Okay, 8 candles, which means that for 2 months this level was acting as a resistance for the market. It did not allow the market to go up, and when market crossed the level, and the same level turned into support now. So this is the best example of resistance becoming support, and right now you can see that market is just standing at the support. Therefore, this level is extremely crucial. And apart from this level, we have got two more levels here. You can see that the first resistance that I have marked on the chart is 110.58. You can see that this level is a resistance for the market and has been acting as a resistance for the market for quite some time. For in the last two times when market tried to go up, it got resistance or faced resistance from this particular level. Therefore, we can hope that when market will be going up from here, the same level will be acting as a first resistance for the market. And on the other hand, we have got this level 111.66, 111.66, acting as a second resistance for the market. So this is the first resistance and this is the second resistance. And if you do not have these lines in your trading platform or charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw these lines, because you also need to analyze the market. And if you draw these lines, then you will understand the market better. You can do the analysis better. Okay, so this is the support, this is the first resistance, and this is the second resistance for the market. And looking at the present condition of the price, okay, so if you want to go for a buy here, then I can say that if you want to go for a buy, then yes, you can go for a buy here, because market is just standing at the weekly support level. Okay, and if you want to go for a safer opportunity, then I'll say that you must wait for one candle, because there is a theory in the market, even I have also seen from my experience, that whenever market tests a level too much, or if you see market testing a level too much, then the level, particular level, loses its strength. Suppose if you can backtest any market, any chart, you'll see that whenever you'll find a market testing a level too much, that level becomes weak, and at one point of time market breaks the level. And market has been testing 109.75 for quite some time. Okay, market has been testing this level for quite some time. So if you want to go for a buy here, then you can go for a buy here. But if you want to wait and watch, then I'll say that yes, you can go for wait and watch also. Because personally, I'll be waiting for one or two candles just to observe how the price reacts, because 109.75 has become a too common level for the market, and market does not like common things. That's a bitter truth of the market. Okay, so wait and watch for one candle if possible. Okay, and my dear friend, most importantly, please follow proper risk management. Risk management means do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. See, your market may be standing in support. The chart may look very beautiful and simple, but still we do not drive the direction of the market. We cannot be 100% sure. So always use proper risk management and never risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter also, you can see that 62% traders have taken short position and 37% retail traders have taken long position, which means 62% traders are retail traders. Okay, this sentiment belongs to the retail traders. They are thinking that market will be going down. On the other hand, 37% are thinking that market will be going up. Okay. And most of the time we have seen that 90% retail traders lose money. Therefore, market may go up also from here. Anyways, I do not follow much the sentiment meter, because to be honest, I prefer to stay on the opposite direction of the sentiment meter, because 90% retail traders lose money. So generally you'll see that if retail traders have taken short position, then market is going up. If traders have taken long position, market is going down. You can take the example of pound USD also. As we all know, pound USD is going up. Pound USD is extremely bullish today. Okay, and you can see that in the pound USD, 85% traders have taken short position, whereas the market is going up. That is the most funny part. And here they have taken short position in USDjpy. So there is a possibility, still there is a possibility that market may go up also. Anyways, let's see how the price rolls after one or two candles. Let's wait and watch. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again.